everybody. Good evening. Hi Shreya. Okay, hi Secret. Hi Mona Lisa. Hi Geetika. Hello guys and welcome to yet another wonderful session on Vedantu Young Wonders, your YouTube favorite channel. Your favorite YouTube channel. Anyways, so let us get started with today's session and we are moving forward with Sprint Class 7. And today we are doing rational numbers. Hello. Am I audible and visible? क्या आप मुझे देख पा रहे हो और सुन पा रहे हो? Hi Tintu, long time. Hi Diaz. Hi Nidrat. Manha. Hi Manha. Hi Geetika. Hi Chaitanya. Yes, are you guys able to see me and hear me? Yes, we will have VQuiz also. Good evening, Vikrant Gaming. Yes, awesome. Hi Palak. Thank you Tintu. Love you too, bacha. Hi, I'm Vikrant. Of course, I remember you, Vikrant. You got a secret that nobody knows? Acha. Hi Shreya, bacha, I remember you. How are you? I remember everybody, guys. So let us get started with the sprint and today is the most amazing chapter rational numbers जो कि बहुत ही important भी है क्योंकि यही वाला chapter आपको फिर से आएगा grade 8th में भी. Okay, so let us get started. Hi Pragya. So a quick dose of motivation. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you. कुछ भी आपके पास हो सब भगवान या कोई भी छीन सकता है. Like money can be taken away, power can be taken away, what else is there? Fame can be taken away, but the knowledge that you acquire, the knowledge that is within you, nobody can ever take that away from you, right? So do not forget to like this video if you haven't liked it yet. I can see 34 people are watching it live, but 14 people are liking it only. मतलब 20 बच्चे यहाँ पे क्या करने आए? एक तो मुफ्त का ही है ना? तो guys, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and also share this video immediately with your friends. Hi Zainab, no problem bacha, we just got started. तो चलो, let us not waste any further time. मेरा पेन कहाँ है? मिल गया. Let's not waste any further time. Let's jump into the topic of rational numbers. Rational number है क्या? Any number which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and your Q is not equal to 0. Three conditions है. Condition number 1, it should be in the form of P by Q. Condition number 2, P and Q can be integers. मतलब यहाँ पे negative numbers भी हो सकते हैं. Condition number 3, your Q cannot be equal to 0. If these three conditions are satisfied by a number, then you can say that the number is a rational number. Good evening, Sanskriti. Good evening. Hi, Anya. Chalo. Now, under different types of numbers, like we have started from what? We have started from whole numbers, natural numbers. Then we learned about fractions, decimals, integers, right? All of these that we have learned come under the family of rational numbers. Rational numbers is like the head of the family is rational numbers. Okay, so everything comes under rational number. Matlab, you can say that a whole number, a natural number, integer, fraction, decimal, all of these belong to the family of rational numbers. Everything belongs to the family of rational numbers, right? Now, when do you say that a rational number is in a standard form? First of all, the first condition is if you have a negative number, the negative sign should be in the numerator. Basically, the denominator should be a positive number. For example, if I write 7 by minus 21, ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में है नहीं है तो क्या करना है हमें यहाँ पे we have to get the negative number to the numerator and make your denominator a positive integer. Now what is the second thing? the numerator and denominator should be in a simplified form. They should not have anything else in common other than 1. But यहाँ पे when I divide the numerator and denominator with 7, you'll have minus 1 by 3. Now this is said to be in a standard form. When I started with 7 by minus 21, our first step is got the numerator negative, denominator positive. And then I checked, can I simplify this further? The answer is yes. So if I divide the numerator and denominator with 7, you will be getting minus 1 by 3. This is said to be in standard form. Samajh aaya? Maza aaya? Quickly give me a yo in the chat box. Come on, quickly give me a yo in the chat box. Did you understand, guys? Yes? Kalpana, I'm going to explain standard form again. Please carefully listen here. Please carefully listen. If I have a rational number, let's say 7 by minus 21. The first step you have to check to see if it is in standard form or not is make the numerator negative, numerator negative, denominator positive. This is the first thing you have to do. I had a negative sign in the denominator. I took it into the numerator. This is the first step. इसके बाद you have to check कि numerator और denominator में कुछ common factor है कि नहीं. Can we simplify it further? So if I divide the numerator and denominator with 7, it will be minus 1 by 3. This is said to be in standard form or simplified form. ठीक है? हाँ यार, कल मेरी लाइव अचानक से बंद हो गई थी. आई डोंट नो फॉर VQuiz आई हैव टाइप्ड Z दबाने से लाइव एंड हो जाता है अब्रप्टली, है ना? तो सो सॉरी फॉर दैट. Rational numbers, please explain me, please. I am late. Okay, rational number, Anamika, is anything which is in the form of P by Q. P and Q are integers and your Q cannot be equal to 0. Okay? Now, let us talk about closure property. Properties when it comes to rational number. The first one is closure property. What does it say? When you take two rational numbers, add them, subtract them, multiply them or divide them, you should always get a rational number. This is what our closure property says. And yes, when you add two rational numbers, you get a rational number. When you subtract two rational numbers, you get a rational number. When you multiply two rational numbers, also you get a rational number. And actually, when you divide two rational numbers, also you get a rational number, except for 0. When you divide a rational number with 0, it is not defined. Except for 0. Except for this case, rest everything is perfect. Yes? Okay. Ma'am, can we divide by any number to get in standard form? Yes. Any common factor you can divide, Pooja. Any common factor. Okay. How can we add them? मैं बताऊंगी. How can we add, subtract, सब कुछ मैं बताऊंगी. ठीक है? Now this is our closure property. What is commutative property? You take two rational numbers. You can add them or multiply them in any way you want to. If I give you two rational numbers A and B. ठीक है? If I say what? If I say Pooja. अच्छा, Pooja is Anya. ठीक है? If I say Anya, can you please add them? तो Anya क्या करेंगी? A plus B करेंगी. ठीक है? अगर मैंने बोल दिया जैनाब को कि जैनाब कैन यू प्लीज ऐड देम, तो जैनाब विल बी लाइक ओके आई विल डू B plus A. बट क्या दोनों को सेम आंसर आएगा? यस, बोथ ऑफ देम विल गेट द सेम आंसर. दैट इज आवर कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. आप कैसे भी ऐड करो, कैसे भी मल्टीप्लाई करो, द आंसर दैट यू विल बी गेटिंग इज द सेम. समझ आया? यस? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड गाइज? हाय वंशिका. Thank you, Anamika. Hi, Pragya. Yes? Clear? Awesome. Now comes associative property. Now, commutative property में क्या हो गया? We are only limiting to two rational numbers. जब हमारे पास एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी है मतलब वी हैव मोर देन 2 रैशनल नंबर्स, इट्स अ ग्रुप ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स। तो अगर मैंने दे दिया 3 रैशनल नंबर्स टू 3 ऑफ माय रेगुलर स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है, मैंने एक संस्कृति को दे दिया, एक वंशिका को दे दिया, एक चैतन्या को दे दिया, एंड इफ आई आस्क देम टू ऐड, तो चैतन्या विल डू a plus b plus c. First he'll add a plus b and then he will add c. Sanskriti will do b plus c and then she will add a. And then Anamika will do, Vanshika will do a plus c plus b. So the order in which they add does not matter. They are still going to get the same answer, right? So this is our commutative property. Sorry, this is our associative property. Now associative property works for addition of rational numbers and multiplication of rational numbers. Okay, Vikrant, I'll take your name next. Secret, I'm not forgetting you, Shreya. I will take your name as well. Hello Aditya, hello Chintu. Yes, yes, right. So associative property for multiplication also it works. For addition and multiplication it will work. ठीक है, फिर आता है हमारा distributive property which is multiplication over addition and multiplication over subtraction. A multiplied with b plus, क्योंकि यहाँ पे प्लस आया है यहाँ पे भी आपको प्लस आना चाहिए वहां पे भी, ठीक है। a मल्टीप्लाइड विद b प्लस a मल्टीप्लाइड विद c। जो बाहर का आपका दोस्त है ना उसको अंदर के दोस्तों से मिला दो। a प्लस a मल्टीप्लाइड विद b प्लस a मल्टीप्लाइड विद c। a मल्टीप्लाइड विद b माइनस, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारे पास माइनस है यहाँ पे भी आपको यहाँ पे माइनस आएगा, तो a multiplied with b minus a multiplied with c. This is our distributive property. ठीक है, okay, cool, okay. Imagine gaming associative property बच्चा कुछ नहीं है. You're taking a group of rational numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5 rational numbers. You can add them or multiply them in any order you want to. It does not matter. आपको same answer आएगा. ठीक है? Hi Kirti. Hi Dhanashri. Cool? Everybody understood? I'm new student. Hi Anamika. Welcome to the family. ठीक है? और distributive properties multiplication over addition, multiplication over subtraction. Please याद रखना, अगर यहाँ पे addition है तो यहाँ पे भी प्लस आएगा, यहाँ subtraction है यहाँ पे भी माइनस आएगा, ठीक है? That is our distributive property. Hi Arya. Let's move forward to additive inverse. अगर मैंने आपको एक रैशनल नंबर दे दिया a, तो इसका एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा? माइनस है, और इन दोनों को जब मैं ऐड करूंगी हमें आएगा 0 विच इज आवर एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी, ठीक है? तो इफ आई टेक 7/11, व्हाट इज द एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 7/11? आप मुझे चैट बॉक्स में बताओगे, देखूंगी मैं कौन सही जवाब देगा फर्स्ट। द एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 7/11 इज व्हाट? Vikrant has got it right. Vikrant has got it right first. Very good, guys. It's going to be minus 7/11. 11/7 नहीं, मैंने रेसिप्रोकल नहीं पूछा है, मैंने मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स नहीं पूछा है, मैंने क्या पूछा? I asked the additive inverse. तो अगर मैंने एक नेगेटिव नंबर दे दिया minus 11/10, तो इसका एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा? व्हाट इज द एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ minus 11/10? minus 11/10 का धनश्री हैज गॉट इट राइट। minus 11/10 का होगा plus 11/10, ठीक है? वेरी नाइस, वेरी अमेजिंग। अब आपको पता चल गया एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या है, ठीक है? ओके, अब आएगा हमारे पास मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स, मतलब रेसिप्रोकल, इसका दूसरा नाम है रेसिप्रोकल. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. If I say let's say -7/11, what is the multiplicative inverse of -7/11? जल्दी से मुझे चैट बॉक्स में बता दो. हाय श्री राम, हाय कशिश. 11/-7, are you sure? Dhanashri has got it right again. 11/-7 नहीं लिखना है आपको. It's -11/7. You have to write it in standard form. किसी ने बोला है कि मैम it is 11/-7. ये सही जवाब है. मैं ये नहीं बोल रही कि ये गलत है. ये सही है, बिल्कुल सही है, पर ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं है. Right? So you have to write it in standard form. So the reciprocal is going to be -11/7. ठीक है? Got it everybody? Okay? No problem. Imagine it's just an extra knowledge now. Next comes rational numbers on the number line. एक rational number को number line पे कैसे denote करेंगे? First, look at the denominator. The denominator will tell you. First of all, you have to check कि ये जो fraction हमें दिया गया है ये किन दो इंटीजर्स के बीच में पड़ता है. ठीक है? देन आपको you have to look at the denominator. If the denominator is say 8, then you have to divide the number line between those two integers into 8 equal parts, and the numerator will give you the position of the points. मैम कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, सब सर के ऊपर से चला गया, is what I can hear from you guys. But don't worry, इसका मैं एक सवाल करूंगी. इनफैक्ट 2 सवाल है इसके ऊपर. I will explain you then. ठीक है? उसके बाद आता है very 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 important, finding rational numbers between two rational number. एक है midpoint method. अगर मैंने दे दिया find 3 rational numbers between A and B, तो आप क्या करोगे? उसका midpoint find out करोगे. How do you find the midpoint? A plus B/2. तो आपको एक point आ जाएगा between A and B. Now you want 2 more points. So you will find the midpoint of Q1 and A. That is Q1 plus A/2. तो आपको Q2 आ जाएगा. आपको एक और find out करना है. तो you can find the midpoint of Q2 and A or Q1 and B. आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, right? So this is the midpoint method that you can do, right? Thank you, Sriram. Can you please take up doubts of algebraic expression? Grade 7th का अभी मैंने किया नहीं है, but Pooja, when I do that chapter, you can come up with your doubts. ठीक है? I'll solve it. Okay? Okay? This rational number and number line, Anshika, don't worry. I will explain you with another example. Don't worry. ठीक है? बताऊंगी. We are doing that. ठीक है? Long answer. I hope everybody is sitting with a pen and a paper. Yeah? Everybody is sitting with a pen and a paper? चलो चलो चलो. मैम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री पढ़ा दो. मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ grade 10th, but मैं आई एम नॉट टीचिंग इन इंग्लिश और हिंदी, आई एम टीचिंग इन तेलुगु. तो आई डोंट नो इफ यूल अंडरस्टैंड. अगर आपको तेलुगु समझ आता है, यू गो सब्सक्राइब टू वेदांतु तेलुगु चैनल. वहाँ पे मैं 9th और 10th भी पढ़ा रही हूँ. नहीं समझ आता है तो भाई कुछ नहीं कर सकते. ओके चलो, लेट अस डू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस ऑन योर स्क्रीन. Find 2 rational numbers between -2/9 and 5/9. You have -2/9 and you have 5/9. So you can see -1/9, 0/9, that is nothing but 0, 1/9, 2/9 and so on. You want only 2 rational number, you can pick 2 rational numbers from here. अगर किसी ने आपसे पूछा, ठीक है, find 2 rational numbers between -2 and 5. ठीक है? If they ask you to find rational numbers between, let's take 4 and 5. ठीक है? If they ask you to find out rational numbers between 4 and 5, आपको क्या करना है? You take the midpoint. How? Let's take it as Q1. How will you find the midpoint? 4 plus 5/2, which is 9/2. ये रहा आपका पहला rational number. Then you find our Q2. How will you find our Q2? Q1 9/2 प्लस 4/2. यहां से आपको आएगा दूसरा रैशनल नंबर. देयर यू गो, यू फाउंड आउट 2 रैशनल नंबर्स. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस मेथड कॉल्ड? मिड पॉइंट मेथड. ठीक है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज मिड पॉइंट मेथड. अंडरस्टूड? वेयर डू यू लिव? आई लिव इन बेंगलुरु. ठीक है, ये हम कल्पना, प्लीज वॉच द रिप्ले बच्चा. आई कांट ऑलवेज एक्सप्लेन अगेन एंड अगेन. प्लीज प्लीज. बाकी जो बच्चे हैं ना उनको थोड़ा बोर हो जाएगा. ओके, चलो. नाउ so this is the midpoint method. There is another method called the LCM method. Now I asked you to change, find the rational numbers between -2/9 and 5/9. So what did I do here? I took the midpoint method and found out 2 rational numbers between them. For example, if I have 5/9 and 11/3. Now if I have to find out 2 rational numbers between them, the first thing I will do is I will take the LCM of the denominators. First thing is LCM of 3 and 9, which is 9. तो ये वाला क्या हो जाएगा? It will stay as it is, and this one will turn into, we multiply with 3, multiply with 3. So it is 33/9. Can't you find 2 rational numbers? You can find 6/9, 7/9, 8/9, and so on. So you can find n number of rational numbers between them. This is the LCM method. This is the midpoint method. These are the 2 methods that we have. That's it. Okay, these are the 2 methods we have. क्लास 6 का मेंसुरेशन सब कुछ करेंगे भाई, जो भी आपके सिलेबस में है ना. वी आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग, डोंट वरी. संस्कृति, व्हाट इज योर डाउट? इंस्टेड ऑफ टाइपिंग आई हैव अ डाउट, टाइप योर डाउट. ओके महेश्वर, गॉट इट. यू आर सो क्यूट. थैंक यू कशिश. समझ आ गया, राइट? लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Find 10 rational numbers between 8/5 and 4/5. ठीक है? Okay. Imagine, you can watch the replay. Question is find 5 rational numbers. No, and by LCM method, give 2 rational numbers between them. Then find 5 rational numbers and by LCM method, give 2 rational. Secret does not matter. आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. You can take LCM method, you can take midpoint method, you can take this method that I'm going to teach you. आप वो भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है? Now everybody concentrate. Find 10 rational numbers between 4/5 and 8/5. 4/5 and 8/5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, आप 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. आपको 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, आपको 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. It's your wish. But look at why I'm doing it. 40/50 and 80/50. Now there are so many rational numbers. 41/50, 43/50, 72/50. ऐसे you can find out 10 rational numbers between them. 62/50, 71/50, 50/50, है ना? Like this you can find out 10 rational numbers between 2 numbers. If they ask you to find out like 10 rational numbers, 8 rational numbers, 6 rational numbers, ऐसे if they give you this big numbers to find out, मतलब 10, 20 या 8, 9, then you follow this method. You multiply the numerator, first take LCM, multiply the numerator and denominator with 10. यहाँ पे I did not take LCM because the denominators are already the same. ठीक है? Okay महेश्वर, bye bye. Awesome. चलो. Next, see this is what I did. I multiplied the numerator and denominator with 10 and I got 10 rational numbers between 4/5 and 8/5. ठीक है? चलो. Now, बहुत ही रिक्वेस्टेड है, बहुत सारे बच्चों ने पूछा मैम आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. अंशिका, आर यू हियर? Anamika, are you here? Yeah, Anamika is here. Now, how to represent a rational number on the number line? एक बार, yes, very important. ठीक है, इतना ज़्यादा important question है ये. Come on guys, everybody take a quick look. So they asked us to denote minus 5 by 8. Now you tell me, minus 5 by 8 lies between which two rational numbers? It lies between 0 and minus 1. है ना? It lies between 0 and minus 1. Okay? The first step is you need to figure out between which two rational numbers is your rational number line. फिर आप क्या करोगे? आप एक line draw करोगे, number line. You will take 0 and you will take minus 1. Now, the rational number that we have is 5 by 8. तो denominator में क्या है? Denominator में है 8. मतलब you have to divide the number line between minus 1 and 0 into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. ठीक है, you have to divide the number line between 0 and minus 1 into 8 equal parts. Finish. अभी क्या करना है? The fifth point, numerator में क्या दिया है? Numerator में दिया है 5. So the fifth point towards the negative sign, because ये है minus 5. तो we will have to go to the left side of the number line, left side of 0. The fifth point, this is minus 1 by 8, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 8, minus 4 by 8, and then you have your minus 5 by 8. Okay? Everybody understood? Come on, quickly give me a yo in the chat box अगर आपको समझ आया और मज़ा भी आया. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes? Easy peasy? Pizza cheesy? बहुत सही, बहुत सही. एक और सवाल करते हैं -7/3 का. ठीक है, तो यहां पे क्या करना है? You have -7/3. Now this one lies between which two rational numbers? आपको पहले ये find out करना है. ठीक है, so this clearly lies between -2 and -3. ठीक है, why? Because when I divide my 7 by 3, 3 into 2 will give you 6 and then 1 and then 2 point something आएगा, right? So it lies between -2 and -3. Cool. Now what we have to do? Check out the denominator. The denominator is 3. Last point समझ नहीं आया? एक बार फिर से देख लो आप देव. Just look at it again. ठीक है? Now the denominator in -7/3, what is the denominator? The denominator is 3. So between each integer on the number line, you have to divide the number line into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. ठीक है, ये नहीं है. ठीक है, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. You have to divide the number line into 3 equal parts. Now what is the numerator? -7. मतलब we have to go to the left side of the rational number. +7 हुआ तो we will go to the right side of the rational numbers because सारे positive integers यहीं पे है. If you are going to the left side क्या होगा? The 7th point. This is the first point, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th. The 7th point from 0 will be -7/3. Dev, क्या आपको ये last point समझ आया? Yes? Did you understand this? मैंने दो बार explain कर दिया अब मैंने. I've explained it 2 times. Did you guys understand? चलो, quick. Yes, awesome. चलो. Okay, on one day rickshaw puller earns this much earnings. You add, Sanskriti, add all his spendings and subtract from his income. Income minus all the spendings. You will get the answer. ठीक है? Okay. Subtraction on the number line, we cannot do that. We don't do that. पूजा नहीं हो पाएगा वो अभी. Awesome. चलो. Next, reduce the rational numbers to standard form. 35 by minus 15. तो पहले आपको क्या करना चाहिए? You have to send the negative number to the numerator. Now both of them are completely divisible by the number 5. है ना? So minus 35 by 5, minus 7. 15 by 5, 3. Now this is called as a standard form. Now what about minus 36 by minus 216? Minus cancel. You can divide the numerator and denominator with 6. And you can further divide. वैसे 36 से आप directly कर सकते हो. You can divide the numerator and denominator with 36 also. But if you don't know your tables, you can divide it with 6. ठीक है? Okay? All good? Okay. Very good. So let's divide with 36 only. 36 by 36 is 1. 216 by 36 is going to give you 6. Now this is said to be in standard form. समझ आ गया? Cancellation. Exactly. That's it. Easy peasy, pizza, cheesy. ठीक है? And then comes our sum, our addition. ध्यान से देखो सब लोग. ठीक है? You have minus 4, 3 by 4 plus 2, 7 by 12. तो पहले तो आपको क्या करना है? जो भी मिक्स फ्रैक्शंस है उनको हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे टू इम्प्रॉपर रैशनल नंबर्स. 4 into 4, 16. 16 plus 3 कितना हुआ? 19 by 4. 2 into 12 is going to give you 24. 24 plus 7 will give you 31 by 12. इसके बाद आपको क्या करना है? You have to take the LCM of 4 and 12, which is equal to 12. ठीक है? So you multiply this with 3. You multiply this also with 3. समझ आ रहा है यहाँ तक? All good? Are you getting it? Okay, Pooja. Bye-bye. Okay. So 9 into 3, 27. 3 plus 2, 5. And minus. Don't make a silly mistake when it comes to multiplication. आराम से ध्यान से step by step करना. Now the denominators are the same, so keep the denominator as it is. You have minus 57 plus 31. सही जवाब क्या होगा यहाँ पे? कोई बता सकता है? 7 minus, so 1 is negative, 1 is positive. तो clearly इनको subtract करना पड़ेगा. 57 minus 30 कितना है? 31. अच्छा 31. तो ये रहा 6, ये रहा 2. So it is minus 26 by 12. क्या हम आंसर को यहीं छोड़ दे? क्या हम आंसर को यहीं पे छोड़ दे? LCM is least common multiple. Yes, you are right, Sanskriti. That's the definition of integers. All the integers are rational numbers. Exactly, Palak. आपको ये simplify करना पड़ेगा, cancel करना पड़ेगा. With what are you cancelling here? With what are you cancelling? We will be cancelling using your 2 table. So what is that you'll have? Minus 13 by 6. That's it. That is it. Okay. So the answer is minus 13 by 6. ठीक है? आदित्य आपको क्या करना है बच्चा? I'm gonna repeat it. Please carefully listen. यहाँ पे एक बार ध्यान से सुन लो. जो हमारे पास क्वेश्चन था, first we converted the mixed fractions to improper rational numbers. Then we took the LCM of the denominators. The denominator is 4 and 12. The LCM of the denominators is 12. Grade 7th में हो आप अभी, है ना? तो आपको पता होना चाहिए ये क्या है, right? So LCM is 12. You converted both the denominators to that LCM. You added the numerators or subtracted the numerators. Hi Abhishek. Hello Aditya. VQuiz होगा, संस्कृति जरूर होगा VQuiz. ठीक है? देखो स्टेप बाय स्टेप यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी दिया गया है. माइनस 26 by 12 को ऐसे में छोड़ना. यू डिवाइडेड फर्दर, इट विल बी minus 13 by 6. या ठीक है? ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी. if the product of two rational numbers is -9/16, मैंने दो rational numbers लिए हैं यहाँ पे, इनका जो product है ये -9/16 है, ठीक है, and one of them is -4/15. Let's take B is -4/15. आप A भी ले सकते हो, ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है, मैंने यहाँ पे B ले लिया है. You have to find the other one. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? How do you find your A? Now, multiplication with this number when you take it to the other side will become division with the same number. तो यहाँ पे हम सीखने वाले हैं how do we divide two rational numbers. What is that we have? -9/16 divided by -4/15, है ना? ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है? Same like how we do for fractions, we are going to do the same thing. We'll keep the first rational number as it is, change your division symbol to multiplication symbol and then reciprocate. तो ये हो जाएगा -15/4. All done. यहाँ पे कोई cancellation आपको दिख रहा है? Is there any cancellations that you guys can see here? Any cancellations? हाँ, कोई दिख रहा है? कुछ दिख रहा है यहाँ पे cancellation? Hi अनिभ्या, hello अनिभ्या. कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है ना? No cancellation. Very good. So you multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. That's it. You will be getting 135/64. ये एक improper rational number है, उसको आप mixed में convert कर लो, ठीक है? All good, all good. समझ आया, मजा आया, समझ आया, मजा आया, हाँ या ना? Do not forget to hit the like button. अभी के अभी अगर आपने hit नहीं किया तो don't forget to hit the like button. Horror story, horror story. What are you telling about your life? Good night अनामिका, फिर से कल मिलते हैं. मैं क्लास 10th को पढ़ाती हूँ पर इंग्लिश और हिंदी में नहीं, तेलुगु में पढ़ाती हूँ, तो तेलुगु का सेपरेट चैनल है, यू कैन गो चेक आउट देयर. आई टीच 9th and 10th. चलो VQuiz Tintu, you asked for it and we have it. चलो गाइज, VQuiz का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है या नहीं, ये एक दिक्कत है. अच्छा, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में तो दिख नहीं रहा वैसे. गाइज एक काम करना है यहाँ पे, जस्ट ओपन अ न्यू टैब, ठीक है, ओपन अ न्यू टैब एंड टाइप VQuiz.in. यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, एक नया टैब खोल दो गूगल क्रोम में एंड टाइप VQuiz.in, ठीक है? ओके, नाउ देयर विल बी अ कोड 228038. सेम टू यू मनोज कुमार, सेम टू यू बच्चा. चलो चलो चलो, ओपन VQuiz.in, एक वेबसाइट है, वहां पे जाके खोल दो, ठीक है, एंड यूज द कोड 228038. कर पा रहे हो कि नहीं? आप बहुत अच्छा समझाते हैं, हिंदी में भी पढ़ा दो. अभिषेक, मैं ट्राई ज़रूर करूँगी, पर नाउ दैट आई एम टीचिंग इन तेलुगु, हिंदी में तेलुगु में दोनों पढ़ाना इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट, बट आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई, ठीक है, आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई. मैं कुछ देखूंगी क्या करना है. ओके कल्पना, नो वरीज. गाइज आई कैन सी ओनली वन ऑफ यू जॉइन. ये क्या है भाई? व्हाट इज दिस? आई विल वेट, संस्कृति, आई विल वेट दिस टाइम. आप मुझे चैट बॉक्स में बता दो आई एम रेडी एंड देन आई विल स्टार्ट. आई विल वेट. ओपन ए न्यू टैब, अदरवाइज दूसरे का कोई फ़ोन ले लो जिसमें आप YouTube देख रहे हो, वो फ़ोन नहीं, किसी और का फ़ोन ले लेना एंड ओपन गूगल क्रोम, ठीक है, एंड वहाँ पे एक टैब खुलता है, वहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? यू हैव टू टाइप www.VQuiz.in, ठीक है, एंड यूज द कोड 228038. 228038. मैं अब भी आ रही हूँ, मैं पानी पी के. Come on everybody, 228038. I'll wait. I can see 10 students have already joined. That's awesome. 228038. It's not opening. Prerna, it will definitely open. Go to VQuiz.com नहीं है, VQuiz.in. I will, Sanskriti, I will. VQuiz.in. Prerna, it's not VQuiz.com. VQuiz.in and the code is 228038. Join, ready. Chalo, hurry up. I can see 17 students. आज वेदांतु में स्टूडियो में मैम, यस मैं एक्चुअली हर रोज ऑफिस आ रही हूँ, तो मोस्टली अब से मैं हर रोज आपका सेशन स्टूडियो से लूंगी, अगर स्टूडियो अवेलेबल रहा तो, ठीक है. स्टार्ट. यू आर रेडी संस्कृति? ऑसम. I can see 17 people. I'll count till 5 and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the first question is on your screens. Which of the following statements is true? Natural numbers are not associative for multiplication. Whole numbers are not associative for multiplication. Integers are not associative for multiplication. Rational numbers are not associative for multiplication. Sorry, integers are associative for multiplication. Which of the following is true? Tadak. धुआं उड़ा है रे, चटक बचा है रे. Could you wait? I waited so long, Geetika. Waited so long. तो यहाँ देखो कौन है ये लोग? हाँ, 2, 1, 2, 2. बस 18 बच्चे कहाँ गए? Internet issue, couldn't answer this. Why? Geetika, I'm waiting. Quickly answer. Yes, the correct answer is C. Integers are associative for multiplication. If I give you 3 integers, you can multiply them in any order you want to. Let us look at the leaderboard. यहाँ पे कौन है? ये 0, ये क्या हो रहा है? हाँ? We have Tejas and Tintu who got it right. Very good. Now you are ready, Geetika. Awesome. The next question's on your screen, everybody. On your screens. A multiplied with B is equal to B multiplied with A is called distributive law of addition, commutative law of multiplication, associative law of addition या associative law of multiplication. इतना easy सवाल कौन देता है यार? कौन? Who gives such easy peasy questions? हाँ? इसमें भी wrong answer कर दिया आपने पलक. ये कौन है ये बच्चे? हाँ? हो क्या रहा है ये? A multiplied with B equals B multiplied with A. If you have only 2 numbers, if you have only 2 rational numbers, it is commutative. और यहाँ पे multiplication है, इसीलिए commutative law of multiplication. Associative में 3 rational numbers आएंगे, आपको 3 number आएंगे, ठीक है? Okay, so we have Tejas, Kritishna, Rishi, Manan and Tintu. Very good. Your third questions on your screen. The additive inverse of minus 3 by 4 is? The additive inverse of minus 3 by 4. मैंने पूछा additive inverse. Hi महेश्वर, हर्ष सर का सेशन खत्म. Additive inverse of minus 3 by 4. Guys, मतलब क्या करूं मैं? हाँ, रोना आ रहा है अब मुझे. ये what is this? Who are these 6 people? Guys, minus 4 by 3 is multiplicative, reciprocal. Additive inverse is negative number को आपको बस positive करना है. minus 3 by 4 को आपको 3 by 4 करना है. ऐसे है तो बस क्या होगा फाइनल्स में आपका? हाँ, क्या होगा? नाम कटवाओगे मेरा सच में. रिमेंबर, एडिटिव इनवर्स इज नेगेटिव का पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, पॉजिटिव का नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स या रेसिप्रोकल अगर मैं बोलूं तब आप जाके आपको रेसिप्रोकल करना है. ठीक है, ओके. हाय मयांक. तो वी हैव Pritishna, Tejas, Ishan, Rishi, Manan and Tintu. Very good. The fourth questions on your screen, everybody. How many rational numbers are there between any two given rational numbers? अगर मैं दो rational numbers आपके सामने रखूं and ask how many rational numbers are there, तो what would be the answer? 1, 2, countless. Nothing can be determined. 2. ये दो जो है ना, ये दो बच्चे यही रही करते हैं रैशनल नंबर्स के बीच में. एग्जैक्टली. इनफिनाइट, काउंटलेस नंबर ऑफ रैशनल नंबर्स लाई बिटवीन देम. ये क्या हुआ है गाइस? द आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, आई मीन ऑप्शन नंबर सी. इट्स नॉट. so sorry, it has to be C only. C is correct. Apologies, ये टैगिंग गलत हुआ है. सॉरी आप किसी को पॉइंट नहीं मिला होगा. सॉरी. So we have Pritishna, Tejas, Ishan, Rishi, Manan and Tintu. The last questions on your screen. If A and B are two rational numbers, then which of the following is true? If A and B are two rational numbers, then which of the following is true? I literally got shocked. So sorry for that, bacha. I know Tintu, but C is the correct answer. You can find infinitely many rational numbers. ठीक है? End हो गया? अच्छा, बहुत सही महेश्वर. D option is A plus B by 2 is greater than B. Now ये थोड़ा ट्रिकी सवाल था, मैं मानती हूँ. The correct answer is A plus B by 2. कहाँ गया मेरा पेन? कहाँ गया पेन? भाई साहब कहाँ हुआ आप? पेन काम नहीं करता इस पे. अच्छा, लेट मी जस्ट ट्राई. हाँ ठीक है. तो गाइज यहाँ पे इफ आई गिव यू टू रैशनल नंबर्स A एंड B, ठीक है, द मिड पॉइंट is always greater than A but less than B. So that's why this is the correct answer. A plus B by 2 is less than B. A plus B by 2 is less than A? No. A plus B by 2 is greater than A. A plus B by 2 can never be equal to this. And A plus B by 2 is less than B. Did you guys understand this? Quickly give me a yes or a no. Understand yes or no. Hi Anita. Right now we are done with the VQuiz. You can come tomorrow again. ठीक है? Yes, understood everybody? Easy था ना? It will never be smaller than B, बच्चा. Sorry, it is always smaller than B or B is greater. This will be greater than A. Okay, midpoint है ना? अगर मैं बोलूँ the midpoint of 3 and 5 is 4. 4 is always greater than 3 and 5 is always greater than 4. Same logic है यहाँ पे. ठीक है? Same logic. And let's see the final leaderboard. So we have Kritishna, Paul winning the leaderboard. Then we have Tejas and Ishan in the second and the third position. That is just amazing. That is just amazing, guys. So that is all for today. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. Do not forget to like this video अगर आपको पसंद आया और समझ आया. We have learnt about what are rational numbers, properties of rational numbers, how to find rational numbers between two rational numbers, how to represent them on the number line, how to add and subtract them. With that, we have come to the end of the session आज के लिए. And if you have liked the video, do not forget to share it with your friends and also subscribe to the channel. We have already 6 lakh subscribers. Let's make it a 1 million family. ठीक है? Okay. See you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. So this is your master teacher Haripriya signing off. Bye bye and take care.